Hello and welcome to MIT USA. My name is Leo Valerio, and we want to introduce to you a manipulator that we developed. It's a small manipulator. It's 6 feet by 6 feet. It actually is powered on 110 volts AC. The boom can handle a weight of 500 pounds. We can operate it in and out at 3 inches to 120 inches per minute, and it's adjustable through this potentiometer. We also can go up and down at 36 inches per minute. The manipulator actually has the power supply mounted on the base so that when you rotate for a new position, all the wires, everything travels together and avoid any type of entanglement. And we can lock the boom in different positions with these 2 brakes. And now you lock it in for your setup. We also have the Acme screw that is embedded inside the tube. And you can see that it takes it up and down. We also have this cross section is made up of 2 plates that are actually bolted together. And by removing the bolts to those plates, you can swivel it 90 degrees for shipment or for ease of transporting it within your shop.